Well, welcome. I'm actually a new YouTube. Have multiple certifications in many fields, almost 100 now, in tech, social sciences, economics, and even businesses. But my main interest, which I'm specializing in right now through a diploma right now, is big data. And I plan on becoming a data scientist very soon, inshallah. So, yeah, I wanted to discuss my viewpoints with all of you people who will be watching this eventually. So, nowadays it's a major question everyone has that how secure is data? To be honest, I'll tell you very truthfully, your data anywhere is not secure because all the things you're downloading on your phones, all the Google searches you're making through your browsers, all of it is being recorded in the server. And all the data even inside your phone is actually it actually has signal points installed inside your phone hardware, which actually send all the data back to the company which you bought it from, and they analyze the data and also sell it off to people who want it. Example, all the data Apple is collecting from its iOS software, which is also on your phones, they sell it to other companies like even Microsoft and even small restaurants which want that data. Because example, if you're discussing even a pizza conversation with somebody on a WhatsApp messenger, then all that conversation also gets recorded, and WhatsApp records that conversation, sells it to pizza restaurants who want to know what kind of flavors their customers like and what kind of toppings they prefer. Okay, so data nowadays is not secure no matter where you do it from. And if you think all your porn searches are private, think again, all of it is being recorded somewhere. How else did you think Google came up with a list of the most porn searches from the rest of the world? And highest were all basically Saudi Arab, Pakistan, and all these countries. I'm in Pakistan, by the way. So, no data is secure actually, but you don't have to have anything to worry about because your data is amongst trillions of other data sources. So basically, if they want to narrow you down, they will also go through another million people to narrow you down through. And if they narrow down through all those million people, another 100,000 people will come in. And if they narrow down to completely your data, your unique sort of data, actually it itself is very untruthful, because data itself, being honest, is an estimation of who you are. If someone one day wants to file a case against you in court and they say, look at this guy's search history, what the hell is this kind of a person? Anyone can say that is just his search history because he was being curious about something. It necessarily doesn't prove X, and it has more than one answer. Okay, so honestly, you people don't need to worry about your data being traced back to you and leading to you, leading you to go into criminal matters, because data alone doesn't prove anything. It's about how you present it, what you talk about regarding it, that proves everything. Example, data scientists and data analysts can analyze data, they can visualize it through multiple diagrams and graphs, and they can even model it in a systematic manner so it can be used for any purpose and become similar to anything out there for people to understand. But they also have to present it in a very baby language way, so people who they are presenting it to can understand it well. If a data scientist or analyst doesn't know how to present his findings or her findings well, they're useless. Because end of the day, remember, the main thing in life, communication skills. If you can communicate things well and maybe people can understand it, you're good to go. If you can't communicate anything, you're not good to go. That's one thing I wanted to discuss with you. It's been almost 4 minutes now, and this is my first time, probably who stayed constant for the video. I thank you so much for giving your time to me. Inshallah, I hope more people join in later on in my later videos. Okay, thank you so much, guys.